Welcome back to our channel. We are taking a short adventure today to Jacob's Well. This place is gorgeous so far. Today is just like a great day to get outside. It's like low 60s, sun is shining. I heard that Jacob's Well natural area has finally got some water flowing. It's completely free to come visit. So I'm surprised that we've never been here before, but I always thought you needed to make a reservation. I guess that's just for swimming, but there's no swimming right now since the water flow is so low. But I'm really excited to see it because I've always wanted to come see it here. It's amazing. All the pictures I've seen just look so cool. So me and Willow are taking a little side trip, and her friend from church decided to join us after church. So we're all gonna go take the hike and go see it and then check out the town of Wimberley. So let's go see.
Okay, parking lot C. See right here.
There's a map on the back too.
That map sucks. You have to use this. It's over there.
It's over there, that way? Okay.
We did yesterday.
So make sure you use the restrooms before you come out here because the porta potties are your only option, which is fine, but you know, it's just not the best. We got out here and we really needed to use the restroom, so porta potties it is. Now we're gonna go hike Jacob's Well. Here we go. The well is looking so nice today. It does say that you're not allowed to wade in the water. I don't know if that means any of the water or just like what's really close to the well. There was definitely people getting in the water, so I'm not really sure. But we just decided to keep out of it, except maybe a few fingers dipping in. Now we're back up at the top, and the girls have this play area that they found here where it says loose materials play area, and it encourages creativity in children so they can find all the pieces and build whatever they want to. There's no rules, it says. So the girls right now are trying to build monkey bars out of the extra PVC pipes that they found. We'll see if they are able to get that done or not. Well, lunch was really tasty. We had pizza and salad, and the girls got to play for quite a while. That restaurant is called Community Pizza, and we actually ate there after we did our 5K here in Wimberley last January 1st. And then today, it was just as good, if not better, with the kids. I was really glad to be able to bring them along. We're gonna go check out the Blue Hole. That's where we jumped into the water after the 5K run last time. So let's go see if there's any water flowing this time. So pretty here and peaceful. Just nice and warm day. The water is perfectly clear. So nice. Oh, it's been a crazy busy day. We had a blast going to all the different places in Wimberley, from Jacob's Well to Blue Hole to dinner at Community Pizza and Beer Garden. And then we headed home. The girls both fell asleep in the car on the way home, and then we dropped off her friend and headed to H-E-B to grab some groceries for the week. And now we're off to another brand new week, ready for our next adventure. So if you like coming on adventures with us, whether it's just like a quick weekend getaway or maybe daily vlogs, or even when we travel to places all over the world, just hit that follow button and the subscribe button and the like and the bell for notifications if you want to be notified when we post a new video. check us out and hope to see you soon. Stay adventurous, y'all.